Nathan, I'm glad to have you, and I want you to maybe start off with really describing your GIS path and then how you got into this role as a GIS strategist.
Sure. So I have worked with GIS for nearly 30 years. So I've kind of been around for a long time. And in New Zealand, I guess I was one of the earliest people to be working with GIS, which is quite something. And through my career, I actually started out at university. I studied economics, and like a lot of other GIS people, we sort of come across GIS from another discipline and realize that it's fantastic technology, and we start becoming more and more interested in GIS. And then I focused my studies more towards GIS. In fact, I was one of the first students of one of the first GIS courses to ever be offered in New Zealand at a university. So that was how I started out in GIS, and ever since then I have worked in many different countries around the world. A lot of time with the British Ministry of Defence, about 10 years working there. And also I have worked in Germany and in Lisbon and Portugal and various other countries. The last 10 years, I have been working for a consultancy. And one of the interesting things with working with a consultancy is that I get to work with a wide variety of different GIS organisations across defence, forestry, agriculture, local government, central government, a whole lot of utilities, telecommunications. So that's one interesting thing about my career, is working in that consultancy role means that I've got a very broad exposure to a lot of different parts of the overall GIS industry.
Wow, what a broad experience. So you've probably seen lots of change that happened in the last 10 years. And I think it's important to know that, especially in tech, if you're not paying attention, the industry can pass you by, and especially at the GIS management level,